Every outreach agency eventually hits the same wall: LinkedIn bans. MirrorProfiles is the workaround. Instead of burning your real account, you rent pre-warmed LinkedIn profiles, accounts that already have 500 plus connections and months of activity behind them. They look real, act real, and are managed under secure, dedicated IPs. Here's how that works. You choose how many accounts you need. They deliver you ready-to-go profiles with a digital fingerprint. You plug them into automation tools, whether that's Salesforge or any other tool, and start running campaigns safely. Each account comes with its own region, email, and warm-up history. If one ever gets flagged, MirrorProfiles replaces it within 24 hours. You also get a centralized dashboard to manage all rented accounts from one place, making it ideal for teams running multi-client outreach. Pricing depends on the region and number of accounts, usually between $100 and $200 per month per profile. It's not cheap, but that's the cost of safety at scale. The pros: reliable automation, ready accounts, fast setup within 24 hours, and dedicated support with quick replacements. The cons: it technically goes against LinkedIn terms of service, so there's always some risk, and there's no trial period. You rely on replacements instead of refunds. For agencies running heavy LinkedIn automation, MirrorProfiles isn't a nice to have, it's insurance. It's how growth teams push volume safely while keeping their main profiles untouched. And if you want to go beyond LinkedIn, combining outreach across email, domains, and inboxes, that's where Salesforge takes over. It manages everything from warm-ups to personalization to full multi-channel sending. While MirrorProfile keeps you safe, Salesforge makes you unstoppable. You can scale outreach by getting more LinkedIn profiles and connecting unlimited accounts on Salesforge to start doing outreach. I have a full multi-channel sequence setup guide in a video right here, so check it out.